Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of JoeScentMe. My name is Joe and I am your host for today. So today's video is about a really cool fragrance brand that I discovered while I was at Perfumery in New York City. And it was a really cool experience. I'm going to include a link down below to the video interview that I did with the folks at Perfumery. So I want you guys to see what this place is all about, and that fragrance brand is called One of Those. So what I'm going to show you is pretty much do a first impression and unboxing of this fragrance right here, because this is such a unique unboxing experience. So I want to show you guys how this works. Now, one lucky winner, thanks to Perfumery, will actually win one of these. And I got a chance to have a sneak peek at this fragrance at that store. And this is the one that I fell in love with the most. And I'm pretty sure you guys will too. This is going to be a perfect fall scent. So I'm excited for you guys. So are you ready to crack it open with me? Let's do this. So here's the packaging right here. This is a styrofoam container. Now this fragrance, all of the fragrances are based on the periodic table of elements. This one specifically is called Helium. So to open this, you notice there's no flaps. There's nothing here. This is the box for the fragrance, and to open it you have to break it. You literally have to break it to open it. You see that? I just broke it right now. That's how you open it. And of course, once you open it, you can put it back in with the, you can put it in just like this. So here it is right here. This is the bottle. It's 100 ml of eau de parfum. And let's talk about the fragrance. I've got my trusty strip right here. I'm going to go ahead and spray it. We'll talk about the notes shortly here. Oh my gosh, I love this fragrance. This is a very rich fragrance. So let me go through the notes real quick. So we have Italian bergamot, Damascus rose, iris concrete, benzoin, Turkish styrax, cinnamon, nargile accord, tobacco leaves, patchouli, clary sage absolute, gaiac wood, and vetiver. This is a very rich, sweet, resinous tobacco scent. And I'm telling you, this is just gorgeous. This is going to be gorgeous for the fall. If you're a fan of Herod or Ombre Narguile by Hermes, if you're a fan of those two fragrances, then this is definitely going to be right up your alley, because this is such a beautiful scent. And I'm so glad, because I'm going to be wearing this in the fall. In fact, I just cracked it open for you, so I haven't gotten a chance to actually wear it myself, so I can't talk about longevity or sillage or any of that stuff. I did get a sneak peek of it at the store, but I wanted to show you guys how this thing opens, because it's so cool. And so one of you, by the way, one of you lucky folks, thanks to the guys, thanks to the wonderful people at Perfumery. See this right here? This is not opened. So one of you is going to get the pleasure of cracking this open for yourself. So here's what you got to do to enter. Number one, like and share this video. Please like and share this video. Number two, leave a comment below with where you're from and your Instagram username. This is going to be a US only giveaway, just because this company is only based, not the fragrance company, but Perfumery is based in the US only. So I want to keep this US only. Make sure you follow Perfumery on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram as well, because that's where I'm going to announce the winner. And also subscribe to my channel, please. That would be awesome if you did. That's it. So I'll leave all the information down below on how to enter. And then also I'm going to pick a winner in a few weeks and announce the winner on my Instagram page. So hopefully you're following me there as well. All right, so that's it. I can't wait for you guys to try this. Again, this is going to be a fall favorite of yours. I promise this is going to be a really, really good one for fall. So there you have it, just in time for the fall. And I really appreciate you guys so much. It sells, by the way, for $110 if you go to Perfumery's website, and I will include a link to where you can buy it as well down below. So there you go. Thank you so much, and have a great day.